Hi guys, welcome back to Simple Henna Art. In this week's video, we're going to learn how to draw this cute dog jumping out of a box. So let's get started. So first we're going to draw the box, and I'm using a ruler to draw it. You don't have to use a ruler, but I just wanted my lines to be straight, so that's why I'm using a ruler. Draw a little curve at the top of the box, and this is the dog's head. And now we're just going to draw the ears. They're like these curvy shapes, like that. And I'm just outlining it to make it a little darker. It's okay if the ears are not the same size. Next we're going to draw the body, so just two curved lines at the end of the ears. Now we're going to work on the face. So we're going to draw two eyes first, just two circles, and then we're going to add little semicircles on the inside. Then we're going to draw the nose and the mouth. We're just going to draw a little U shape for the tongue. And we're going to draw a little paws because the dog is happy. Now at the top of the head, we're going to draw a little bow because it's like the dog's a present. You can draw the bow however you want, but this is how I draw it. Now we're going to work on the box. So on the side, we're going to draw just a thin rectangle, and this is the top of the box. Now that we're done with that, we're going to work on the inside of the box, the design. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw like a bow on the box. I am pretty sure it's a bow, but if it's not called a bow, then you can write what it actually is in the comments. But I'm just going to use my ruler again because, like I said, I want my lines to be straight. I'm done with my bow now, so now we're going to move on to the design. I'm just doing some striped lines, but you can do whatever design you want. So now I'm completely done. I outlined everything in black. The dog, I colored brown. I did the bow red and the bow on the dog's head. And I did the box in this yellow color. Well, that was it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!